Hello everyone, welcome back to our HTML course series where we are learning HTML from scratch. In today's video, we are going to dive into a fundamental aspect of web design, HTML tables. Tables are incredibly versatile and play a crucial role in structuring content on web pages. So, let's get started and learn more about it. HTML tables. HTML tables are used to display data in rows and columns. They are created using the table element and contain one or more rows, which are created using the tr element, and one or more cells, which are created using the td element. Now, you might be wondering, why do I need tables? Tables are crucial for displaying data in a structured format. They are often used for schedules, pricing lists, or any data that needs to be neatly organized. Syntax. The basic syntax for creating an HTML table is as follows. 1. The table element is used to create the table, and 2. Each row is created using the tr element. 3. Within each row, one or more cells are created using the td element. HTML table attributes. HTML tables have a number of attributes that can be used to specify things like the width of the table, the alignment of the text within cells, and the border style of the table. Some common attributes include: border specifies the width of the border around the table, useful for creating tables with visible borders. Width specifies the width of the table. Cell padding specifies the amount of space between the content of a cell and its border. Cell spacing specifies the amount of space between cells. Align specifies the horizontal alignment of the table within its container, left, center, or right. Align specifies the vertical alignment of the table within its container, top, middle, or bottom. These attributes can be added to the table element to customize the appearance of the table. HTML table benefits. HTML tables are a useful way to display data in a structured format. They can be used to create everything from simple two-column layouts to complex spreadsheets with multiple rows and columns. By using the various attributes available, you can customize the appearance of your tables to suit your needs. Live demo. Let's put our knowledge to the test with a simple example. I will demonstrate to you how to create HTML table in a simple way to structure your web content. Let's jump into the Visual Studio Code editor to write some code. Let's create a new HTML file, index.html. Now type HTML5, select the HTML5 boilerplate skeleton code suggested by the Visual Studio Code editor, and hit enter on the keyboard. Now, first update the text content inside the title tag. This content will be displayed in the browser tab bar. Now, add the div tag, which is used to make a section block for elements. And insert the ID attribute with a unique identification value. Let's add some default styling such as width 60%, margin, auto, padding 32px, and background color #F0F0F0 to the div container by accessing the ID attribute. Now, let's insert the h1 heading tag as the main title of our page. Add some dummy text inside the h1 heading element. Now insert the hr tag to add a horizontal line. First, we'll create the table structure using the table element. Within this table element, we'll add tr elements, which represent table rows. In the first row, we'll specify the headings for each column using the th element. Th cells are bold and centered by default, making them ideal for column headers. In the subsequent rows, we'll use td elements inside the tr element to specify the actual table content. TD cells are used for containing data in your table. Now, let's take a closer look at some important attributes you can use. 1. Border. This attribute sets the thickness of the border around the table cells. A value of 1 will create a solid border. 2. Cell padding. Use this attribute to set the space between the cell content and the cell border. A value of 10 will create a 10-pixel padding. 3. Cell spacing. This attribute controls the space between cells. A value of 20 means 20 pixel spacing between cells, resulting in a seamless appearance. Once you've added these attributes to your table, you can further customize their appearance either through inline styling or by using the style attribute. After creating your table and customizing it to your liking, don't forget to save the file and open it in your web browser to see the final result. As you can see in this example, we've created a basic HTML table with 3 columns and 2 rows, complete with the specified attributes. It's a great way to present and organize your data on a web page. Congratulations! Now that you've learned how to create HTML tables, learning to create and style HTML tables is an essential skill for web developers. From simple data presentation to complex layouts, tables play a vital role in web design. Make sure to do more practice using different HTML tags to enhance your web development skills. That's all for today's video on HTML table. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. If you want to learn more, check out the complete HTML course link in the description box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.